Now this is the new model Range Rover D300 SE, so that's a 300 horsepower, 3 litre diesel with 2,000 miles on a 22 registration, with a beautiful interior, the Perlino Leather Interior, but the exterior colour as well. This one's in the Portofino Blue. This is a very special car. You can't get these cars. We have the best buyer in the country. So the stock that we get at Acklam Car Centre is stock that you can't physically get. And when the car's got such low miles on, with a fabulous specification, with a fabulous colour combination, these cars aren't going to hang around, and they're physical. It's here. So if you like what you see, pick the phone up. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. We can get it reserved, talk about part exchange price and any finance options that you want to talk about. But as for the car itself, fundamentally, it's a fabulous, fabulous car. Everything about it, the way they look, the way they drive, it's such a smooth car. I've mentioned in my previous video about the four-wheel steering and what a difference that makes. The engine sound, the power. The car is second to nothing, literally. So what I like about this is the new styling and the features. So first of all, you see this curved glass here, 13.1 inches, very easy to use with the hectic sensors as well, so you know when you've pressed something. The heated seats are there. The different Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your navigation, Bluetooth, DB digital radio, Google Maps. It's just nice and clear and very easy to use at your fingertips. But then you've got the climate control area here, so that's hot and cold and how hot you want it to go. When you pull it out, you then increase the fan speed. You've then got front and rear heated windscreen, lots of cubbyhole spaces, cup holders, USCs, and a wireless phone charger. Again, nice little soft approach to everything that closes and opens up for you. On this side, you have more cup holders, and when you slide this section, there's more of a little hideaway here with a USB and USB-C. It took about 10 minutes to work this out because I was looking everywhere. I thought, where's the USB in this car? Everything's USB-C, but there is a USB down there. The new short shifter gear stick there, the different drive terrains, by pressing that out, you can choose what program you want, if it's comfort, if it's grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts. But if you just push it back in, leave it in auto, it'll just do what it needs to do when it needs to do it. You've then got the 360 view camera system as standard now, so you can see every single corner of this car and you've got no excuse to bump it or curb the wheels. You've then got the off-road camera as well, so when you're driving, it almost gives you a full view and it's as if it's looking through the bonnet so you can see what's underneath the car. It's very clever how the cameras work. The navigation system and the computer system is very easy to use. It's all just there. And then under the armrest here, you've got more cubbyhole space as well with the lighting in there. You've then got this captain seat. So if you've never driven a Range Rover, this has been around since day one really. It's retractable, you can adjust it by just twisting that away. But the seating position is absolutely on top of the world. You're sat so high up, there's lots of glass, quarter glasses front and rear, with a tilt and sliding panoramic roof, lots of light coming in so you feel very airy. But with this new two-spoke steering wheel, which is quite futuristic, but still very rich and classy at the same time, with lots of metallic finishing, and it's fully multifunctional. So you've got ceramic finish, touch sensitive and illuminated, so at night you can still see what you're doing. This little button for me is absolutely brilliant. The lane assist, literally the car drives itself. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, things like that just weren't a given, not on the old ones, but now it is. Paddle shift, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. The Google Maps is also on this new dash and it's angular very well, with lots of stitching and good quality materials used throughout the full car. The leather is super rich, but the seats are nice and big, so when you're sat in it, it has that lounge effect, but sporty at the same time, because although not bucket styling, you can see they lift up a little bit, and also just there, it nips you just enough to be comfortable, but again, very, very rich. Big chunky headrests, all the adjustments for the steering column, which is in and out and up and down. Little things that sometimes we will take for granted, but you want the best position when you're driving, and that's what this does. As I get on the driver's seat and I go in the back, the rear passengers get the same treatment. Now, around the back, they've got the third zone climate control, just here, so they can pick and choose what they want. They've also got heated seats. Over here, the backrest here also reclines ever so slightly, so if they want to be upright or they want to be sort of back a little bit more comfortable, they're more than welcome to. Now remember, you've also got double glazed windows and obviously the tinted. Here you've got the centre armrest which comes down, but again with a beautiful finish, a metallic section and the piano black, which is the cup holders. This back section is a bit of a cubby hole, your phone can go in there, pens, sweets, whatever you're going to use it for. And then nice little pockets. I have kids, so I know how useful this is. iPads can go in there, magazines, all sorts of things. You've also got ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts. With the perforated seats, it looks really nice. I actually think this leather interior, this colour combination, is probably one of the best in my opinion. And I think it works really well. As you come round the back, you'll see the new styling of the new Range Rover is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. This LED lighting system, you've then got the LED indicators built into the back panel. Now this one's got the black badging, so the Range Rover on the front and the back is in black. That colour, which is a metallic blue, which looks absolutely fabulous. Obviously, you've got the split tailgate with a signature split here. And you can sit on this no problem whatsoever, it takes the weight. This car also has electric deployable tow bar. So when you press that button, electronically, the tow bar comes out when you're ready to use it. There you go. But when you're not using it, it's not an eyesore, it's not just sticking out. You've also got fixed mud flaps, front and rear. Everything is colour coded, and with the new Range Rovers, you've got this new rear valance, which looks absolutely mega. The side skirt's also finished in gloss black as well. The Atlas is down the side in that lovely grey. You've also got things like the LED daytime running lights, full LED adaptive headlights, front rear parking sensors with parallel park assist. The new model car with a new grille, with the new wheels. This one's got the 21-inch black alloy wheels in it, which I think, again, complements this car again. Genuinely a stunning car with 2,000 miles on, under manufacturer's warranty till 2025. But check this out. This is by far the best value Range Rover in the country today, and we sell them really, really fast. I probably sold 45 of them, hopefully many more to come. But we're getting them and people are buying them. So if you want this particular one and you don't want to miss out, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.